Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be looking at a new strategy which aims to help reduce your extra places qualifying losses. That means that yes, you will be able to do extra places and be making even more profit from them. But before we get on the laptop here and I show you these tips and tricks to help you make this extra profit, I'll just quickly mention the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group, which of course you can join through the link down in the description. But having said that and getting onto the laptop then, I'll quickly just explain what the extra places strategy is for those of you that haven't heard of it before, so you can really know what I mean here when we're talking about reducing qualifying losses for it. The extra places strategy is simply where you're backing a horse each way and then you're laying against it winning and also laying against it finishing in the top few places. So in this example here, we're looking at the 10-7 Nottingham this evening, and you can see that over on Smarkets, the place market is the top three. So we're laying against the win market there and the top three market. Now, in order to find good extra place bets, you'd normally be looking through the extra place matcher and trying to find one of good implied odds, and then simply just go and back it and lay it at whatever the prices are. But for this strategy, what you'll actually be doing, and this has been brought to my attention from Ko-fi VIP members, all you need to do is simply back the horse each way when you find a good value bet. And when you go to lay it, so in this example, and I'm not saying this is a good value bet, but for an example, we'll take the horse here, Lethal Touch. Now that's back odds of 13 at Sky Bet, and the win lay is currently saying 18 with a place lay of 5.4. So let's just double check that that's correct there. So no, because we are only 12 minutes to the start of the race, the win lay has actually dropped down, which is great news, but dropped down from 18 down to 15. And the place lay for Lethal Touch is now at 4.8 rather than the 5.4 that it's saying on here. But regardless of these odds moving down already and making it a better value bet, all you would do is select the horse on the win lay market and then just press the minus arrow twice. So you can see the win lay odds now are at 14.5. So we would be at 14.5. And then you just drop it down twice from whatever the current price is showing and lay it at that slightly lower price. Then you go over to the place lay tab and you would again select the place lay. That's showing 4.8 as we just mentioned. And again, just click down twice there. Now, this works best because we can see that the win lay is jumping all over here. This works best on races like a few hours before. So about 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours before the race is starting. Just lower it down. And what that's going to do is just the 2 clicks is make it so, for example, if that's, so Lethal Touch here, that's showing £6.48 qualifying loss if we were to just lay it at those prices on here. But by dropping it down twice, so from 18, it will have dropped down to, it would go to 17.0. And at 5.4, so it would actually be dropping by, so 5.4, and yes, it'll just be dropping by 1 decimal place each time. So that would be down to 5.2. So instead of the £6.48, I believe we just said, it'd be £5.81. So you're probably asking now, well, what's the chances of that lay bet not matching up? Then you've got a back bet placed without a lay bet there. Well, we've actually had members report that 9 out of every 10 bets where you do that, where you just drop it down by 2 places on the lay bet, they actually match up. So 9 out of 10 results works there. And the 1 time out of 10 where it doesn't work, what you can go ahead and do is just lay it at whatever price is there, and there's really not much of a difference normally. What I'll be doing on the live streams that I do over on the Ko-fi page, where I share my screen and help people with extra places, is actually be placing a few of these Sky Bet extra place bets here on my Gub Sky Bet account, and I'll be trying that exact method myself to show exactly how it works. Comment your thoughts below what you think about this strategy. Should you be reducing the lay odds there, or should you just lay the bet at whatever the odds are at the time? As usual, feel free to press the like button if you enjoyed this video. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.